Hi, my name's Michelle Robinson and I am the author of lots of stories, including this new one, Red Truck, Yellow Truck. The pictures are by Jez Tuya and the pictures are of lots of different trucks and vehicles, and they're all driven by lots of different dogs. This is how the story goes. It starts with the dog drivers going to work, picking up Yellow Truck and Red Truck, and they're off to the building site. All the dogs are building a brand new fun park. They call it a fun bark. Let's see what fun they have along the way. Red Truck, Yellow Truck. Red Truck, Yellow Truck. Tug Truck, Tow Truck. Oh look, the yellow one's stuck behind some towing. Steady as you go truck. Empty Truck, Load Truck. Straight back on the road truck. There he is. Uh-oh. Stuck in a line of traffic behind this one. Stop truck, garbage truck. What a heap of muck truck. Squeeze truck, crush truck. Never in a rush truck. Well, you can't rush your work, can you? They have to collect the garbage. Luckily, there's plenty to look at while everyone's waiting patiently. There's a weather report. I think there's snow up ahead on the mountains. And look, there's a sign for the fun park, the fun bark, opening soon. That is if Yellow Truck and Red Truck can get to work on time. Let's see. Oh dear. A tree is blocking the road. Here's that snowy mountain. Lift truck, shift truck, shove away the drift truck. You can see all the dogs having fun in the snow. And now where are they? Now they're stuck at the farm. They've had to stop at the stop sign. Look, Red Truck is stopped. There's lots of mud on the road, and here comes a tractor. It says, honk truck, blink truck. It's blinking his headlamps. What's in there, do you think? Truck. There's Red Truck covered in that muck from the mucky puddle. And what is in this farm truck, I wonder? Let's see. Cow truck. It's full of cows. Can you spot the plough truck? There's Red Truck covered in muck, carrying on his way. He's got to get to that building site, but he's just helped. He's lifted a tree off the road. He's had a busy journey, hasn't he? Here they are, finally arrived. Wide truck. It's all going on at the building site. Look, wide truck with a great big bone. Tall truck is another one. Parked behind a wall truck. Someone needs a clean truck. Just where have you been, truck? Well, it's been busy, lifting trees and clearing snow and stuck behind a garbage truck and getting covered in mud at the farm. Now he's here, ready to work at the fun park. Rolling, dumping, tipping and lifting, ladder raising, dirt pile shifting, climbing and squashing, spilling and mixing, biffing and whoops, breaking, building and fixing. The going gets tough and the trucks keep going, pushing and pulling and heaving and towing. They're all working together, aren't they? Red Truck, Yellow Truck. Which one would you drive? Blue Truck, Green Truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, there's the fun park. A fun bark. It's finally open. There's that yellow bone that was in that wide load lorry. On the road all day truck. On the road all night. All the way back home truck. Engines off. Beep tight. And look, those dogs who've done all that work today and all that driving, now they've got to drive their cars home. I hope they get to have some fun and enjoy that fun park before probably tomorrow doing it all over again. I wonder whether they'll get to drive something different. I wonder which vehicle you would choose to drive or have a ride in. Anyway, that was Red Truck, Yellow Truck. I hope you liked it.